rum, Nutella, Diet Coke, and then we have,
Hello.
oh my gosh,
Cheeseburger!
so this is Catherine. Could we be so bad right now? Hi, camera 1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2. I do that all the time. I'm like, where's the hole? Hi. We're so tired, but we're gonna go upstairs and have a Merlot. It's me. You're eating. So
I've already got the Merlot It's Me shirt.
Merlot. It's me. And my Diet Cokes. But we're gonna do that in just a little bit. We are live at Toy Fair in New York City. It's like sex. Did you ever watch the show?
Please, Sex in the City.
Please, yes.
Oh my god, I love that show so much.
We're like real moms in the city, right?
I think I kind of identified with Carrie, just a little bit.
Really?
Totally. A little bit of Samantha.
Oh,
some
I'm
Charlotte.
Like,
Actually,
Samantha.
Miranda.
Samantha. Although my older sister's name's Samantha.
Oh.
Okay, by the way, oh my gosh, I gotta try this.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm like totally eating. You need to eat.
This place is so yummy. We're actually staying at the what hotel? The TRYP Hotel.
Yeah, the TRYP Hotel by Wyndham.
My arm hurts, so this selfie thing's gonna go really slowly.
Is anyone watching us?
I don't know.
Who's watching us?
My mom. Hi.
And
So
your
this
mom.
is Nutella on it.
I'm Canadian. I'm very left wing, Mrs. Ford. To show them the sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries. Oh yes, New York. New York.
This, I've eaten my way through the city. It's so good. Okay, she's going to drink her way through the city. Catherine.
Oh
and
my
she's
God.
going to kick off her Merlot. What is it?
Merlot, it's me.
Okay, when are we going to do that? Let's give him a timestamp.
Okay, what time is it right now? It is 8:30. Maybe we'll see you at. I said 10 before, but that might be too late.
You guys party late. Like, I was in figured. Okay, all right. How about
30.
Okay, 9:30. We'll be back.
9:30.
Okay, come join us. And then you said it's going to be kind of a PG-13.
Okay, there's going to be a little bit of raunch going on. A little bit of raunchy discussion.
Maybe we should not go live.
We'll go live. We'll go live.
Yeah,
it's
so
just PG-13.
Make sure the kids are not.
Maybe rated R.
Right. What? Okay, this should be interesting. I'll be holding the mic. I'm the designated.
You're the designated delay.
Liver. I'm the designated dump button. Right? That's a broadcast term. She's actually a producer, and I'm like, oh, dump. We get the dump button. Okay, bye. So bad, all right? Okay, dump. Now's its time. Now it's.
Oh, that's so funny.
Eat.
Was anyone actually